In 2016, we founded Starbird to redefine the traditional fast food experience. Long before we opened our doors, we were obsessed with perfecting our recipe for crispy chicken. For too long, fried chicken had been greasy and heavy with the same old flavors. So we worked closely with the Culinary Edge to create a super premium brand that delivered a high-quality product and experience. Our chicken is hand-breaded in a secret blend of gluten-free flours and spices, and is served in a variety of ways, including hand-chopped salads, tenders, and sandwiches. Starbird has been able to be successful by staying true to our mission, which is to inspire excellence in the relentless pursuit of deliciousness. We continue to innovate and improve upon our recipes every day, and are proud to serve bread baked fresh in-house all day long. Locally raised, sustainably farmed, antibiotic-free poultry, hand-chopped, locally sourced produce, pickled and roasted in-house, and of course, our house-made sauces, unique to Starbird, like our Star and Spicy Soul sauces. As a fast-growing concept, we're able to serve our guests through our omnichannel suite of technology. Whether placing an order on our mobile app or website, or through our third-party partners, our ordering platforms provide the ultimate convenience for our guests.